Time stands still for him. He's not on the same wavelength as everybody else. Even us watching it, you kind of, as soon as that ball was set back, great ball by Iniesta, you know exactly what's going to happen with that, very clearly.
It's almost as though he stands above the field and watches it down, like we are from up here, yet he's playing at the same time. It's remarkable.
In his own eyes and his own vision, the game just slows down for him. Yeah. He plays in slow mode because it comes to him so easy and so naturally, and everyone's fast, erratic when he comes into the box, but Messi just goes, right, the ball's coming in, the goalkeeper's going to go that way, so I'll go that way. Puts it in.
Messi's number 9, number 10, number 11, number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4.
It's Messi. Oh, fantastic! Barcelona's talisman with the perfect riposte. It's Messi again with more power this time than the same result. And the best player on the planet fires Barcelona ahead. Up steps Leonel Messi! 1-0 to Barcelona! Leonel Messi with the goal. A silence falls on the RCD stadium. Leonel Messi making it look oh so easy once again. Line laid down by the referee, and Leonel Messi gets his second direct free kick. Look at the response of Diego Lopez. Lying down, head in his hands. He can't believe it.
Passe le mur et c'est merveilleux de la part de Léo Messi. Non, Messi, mais non, mais s'il te plaît, non, arrête et stop une fois pour toutes. On sait que dans les gars.
Messi just tried to loft it in again. Another chip, another goal, another brilliant goal. It's the return, or can he? Yes, he can. And here's Messi. Nobody has ever scored 5 goals. It's Messi. Oh, it's magnificent. You are watching possibly the greatest footballer ever at the absolute peak of his powers. Cometh the hour, cometh the man like no other. Messi. Oh. Messi!
No kidding me! Come on! This man is absolutely mainline to pure footballing magic that belongs in a different galaxy altogether that we are living in.
Iniesta back to Messi! And now he is the man who scored more goals in the calendar year than anybody else. Some say he's the greatest, and statistically, he is the greatest now. Messi! Oh, magnificent! How to introduce yourself.
Oh my goodness. That is unbelievable.
It's the one constant in world football. If Leonel Messi plays for Barcelona, he scores 21 games in a row. His name has been on the score sheet.
Messi, he's scored against an English club now. It's Manchester United at a crucial time with 20 minutes to go.
But actually he was in a perfect position. Well, you can see the damage that's been done to Messi. As well dealt with it there by Jones. Messi in with a challenge on Young, and he comes away with it, and he gets away from Fred. He shoots! Oh, he's done it! Little Mr. Dynamite with another goal for Barcelona. Here's Messi, off he goes again. Oh, he's squared under it! He's got another one! And you hardly ever see David De Gea make a mistake like that, not on a big night like this.
Next one touch, Messi strides, really strikes, scores! Albert inside, it's Messi! And the medicine man arrives and sinks his flaming spear into the hearts of Real Madrid!
Messi plays it back, and oh, will he squeeze it? Game 1, set and match.
3-0 Barcelona. They are humiliating Real Madrid. Alex Vidal joins the party.
Another great piece of play from Leonel Messi. Good finish from Vidal as well.
After receiving the ball just past midfield, Messi goes from virtually 0 to 19.5 miles an hour in just 2.7 seconds. That's an acceleration on par with an American football speedster, NFL All-Pro, Jamal Charles. And Messi does it with the ball at his feet. But as 3 defenders trap him on the sideline, each coming within 6 feet of the ball, Messi begins to decelerate. This allows him to make 3 short controlled touches, effectively beating the Bilbao players in just 1.2 seconds. As he enters the box, Messi uses an inside-out move to open up more than 5 feet of space. This gives him just enough room to rip a 48-mile-per-hour near-post shot that misses the keeper's outstretched hand by less than 6 inches. In a span of just over 11 seconds, in a possession that covered nearly 60 yards, the ball was more than 2 feet away from Messi just twice, and for a grand total of less than 2 seconds. And the finish was just as spectacular as the dribble. To fit the ball in a window that small, from 14 yards away, Messi's lateral aim couldn't be off by more than 3/4 of a single degree. That means if Messi's point of contact on the ball shifted left or right by just 1.5 millimeters, he misses. That's a margin of error about the width of a blade of grass.
There's a great chance for Messi. It's 1-1. Neto, Ronaldinho, stopped by Casillas, blasted in by Messi. It's Van Nistelrooy to Messi 2. Messi takes everybody off. Messi has got it. This is the game that is going to be remembered as the Leonel Messi match. 19 years of age, he gets a hat-trick.
Second period. Messi. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Just when you think he's done everything, he comes up with something even more special. It's the best player we've ever seen. Wow, look at that. The god of the game.